I'm going to show you how to install Google Apps on your Windows 11 PC or laptop. The first thing you need to do is either open up Google Chrome or open up a Chromium-based browser like Brave. For this demonstration, I'm actually using Brave, not Chrome itself. But the process is the same. So if we're on google.com, in the top right, you can click these dots and you can see all of the different Google services. This method works with any of these. It does not make a difference. So for demonstration purposes, let's go to Finance. Once here in the very top right, either click the three lines or the three dots, depending on the browser. And then what you want to do is scroll all the way down to either Save and Share or Cast Save and Share. So here is Save and Share. Then move your cursor all the way over to Install Google Finance or Install Google Docs, etc., depending on what you're doing. Just click that. It'll ask to install or cancel. Just click install. And as you can see, it is installed Google Finance as its own app and has even put a desktop shortcut as well. Alternatively, you can actually right click this newly created app and you can select Pin to Taskbar for easy access. And that's all there is to it. Just repeat that process for every single Google service that you would like to turn into an application. If this video helped you, please consider giving it a like.